Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a repository and connecting your machine. Install Git and set your identity so commits are traceable. Generate an SSH key to avoid repeated passwords. Once done, clone the GitHub repo, add your project files, git add and commit with clear messages, then push to origin main. This establishes the canonical source on GitHub and ensures Netlify can later pull the latest code. Make sure commits are small and descriptive, so rollbacks are simple. You now connect your GitHub project to Netlify so deployments become automatic. Authorize Netlify to access the specific repository, then choose the branch to deploy, typically main. Next, configure the build command and the publish directory. This tells Netlify how to produce and serve your site. Once configured, trigger the first deploy. Netlify will run the build, log output, and host a preview URL. If you use environment variables or a framework, add those settings before building to avoid broken builds. You finish by verifying the live site, adding a custom domain, and enabling HTTPS so traffic is secure. Make sure automated deploys are enabled so every push triggers a new build. If something goes wrong, inspect Netlify's deploy logs for specific error messages and rebuild after code fixes. Sometimes clearing the cache or reinstalling dependencies fixes inconsistent builds. Finally, connect GitHub checks or branch deploy previews to catch issues earlier. This saves time and prevents broken production deployments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.